South Carolina. K54, you're right, every dog. K54.
68 Central Illinois, reading the mail.
I just wanted to jump in there and let you know you're sounding good.
Back to 168, try again.
Fine job. Where'd you go, 54? Flying at 155. This is with a Harry, 5529 on the way.
Well, just too much traffic. Alright, I'm reading the mail.
Hey, John Doe. He's a Bumble B and Tim. It's on 99 around the way to the line. You got a copy on.
10 Roger on the Mercy.
Hey, Creeper. Hey, Creeper. You have a good evening. He's a Bumble B and Bumble B.
Sounding good up here around 10. Just thought I'd bump it out and say
Well, that's how you clean out my receive, like always. Snake Doctor 155 with the second or third wave this evening.
Hey, John. Well, 155.
Go ahead.
That's why Bumblebee had to pass that 5 to me. I was looking at you. Even down to you 155, sounding good in 10. Yeah, that's one thing about these super audio jokers, man. They ain't got a back door worth a flip.
How about a Snake Doctor 122 Main trying to get into your receive? Hey, Snake Doctor. Hey, Snake Doctor 122 Main waving.
Hey, 122 Main. 122 Main, sounding good down in the Buckeye.
Waving a hand at the old Buckeye. No doubt, 122, letting you know you're sounding good also. Hey, 155, 155 Texas, 122, 122 State of Maine, trying to wave. Oh, 515, you do it like that. Hey, 515 Tennessee, we're going to spike it down real quick and wave a hand at you. You rolled in there loud and proud. 122 State of Maine, letting you know.
Down here in South Carolina, has conditions for South Carolina. 73's
Just rolling on. on through if we can. Oh, Mother Nature's just got a big old jumbled up mess up here in Maine, no doubt about it. 122, wave into that ODX land.
Hey, 122 doing your thing. 122 Maine, Yardbird in the hills at 10. We'll see ya.
Hey, Yardbird, hey, definitely, you're sounding real good yourself up here in Maine, no doubt about it. Hey, Yardbird, 122 waving right back, sir.
122, have a good evening. We'll see ya.
Click, click.
There, Nitro 168. Triple seven, South Carolina with a wave. 10-4. Trump for president. Trump, don't be a chump. Vote for Trump. So y'all going to shotgun? The shotgun, you know you can do it anytime you want to, shotgun. I'm going now. Mom, don't be a chump. Vote for Trump. Bye, guy.
Hey, 617, Night Stalker, gonna bump it down, see if we can wave a hand your way. You're sounding real good up here in Maine, no doubt. 617, 122, letting you know.
I'm going, watch me go. Shotgun. Anytime you want to, shotgun, I'm going. In the northeast corner.